guys, it's Ruth Roland with a special Creators for Peace tutorial benefiting the displaced Ukrainian children. Before we get started, I'd like to encourage you to donate to UNICEF by clicking the link below. So this is a beautiful Ukrainian lullaby, and it has a lot of open strings in it, and it's very approachable. I'm going to turn this way so you can see which fingers I'm using, and let's get started. Okay, I'll play and you can listen, and then you can join me. Ready, play. Good, now I'm going to add on to that. Ready, play. Good. Starting right there on that same second finger. Okay, or you could use the fourth finger. I'll use the fourth finger this time. Ready, play. Good. Adding on to that one. And with me, ready, play. And that's the whole thing. It repeats, and there's a little tag at the end, which I'll show you now. It goes, oh, Luli. And if you want to do the simple version, it's just... If you want to do the Luli, you can do it this way. Just put both your fingers on the string and then pick them up one by one. Maybe it starts down bow. All right, so let's do the whole thing together. We're going to put the opening, remember the opening. I like to start this one up bow actually, because so that the second note can be stronger. Ready, play. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this Ukrainian lullaby. Do donate to UNICEF by clicking the link below, and I'll see you next time.